Hello, dear students. Welcome to our English lesson. The theme of our lesson is Do you like swimming? Ребята, сегодня мы с вами поговорим о своих предпочтениях. Чтобы выразить свои предпочтения в английском языке, используется герундий после таких глаголов, как like, love, hate. А что же такое герундий? Герундий – это когда глаголу добавляется окончание ing. Например, I like swimming. А теперь давайте рассмотрим это на следующих примерах. Например, I like swimming. Здесь после глагола like – нравится идет глагол swim, к которому мы добавляем наше окончание ing. И у нас получается I like swimming. Мне нравится плавать. Следующий глагол love – любить. К нему добавляется глагол в нашем примере do. I love doing aerobics. К глаголу do добавляем ing. I don't like. Мне не нравится. Добавляем глагол play. А к глаголу play мы добавляем окончание ing. I don't like playing football. Следующий глагол ненавидеть. Hate. I hate skateboarding. К глаголу skateboard добавляем окончание ing. Итак, после всех глаголов like, love, don't like, hate к следующему глаголу мы добавляем окончание ing. Запомните это правило, если вы хотите выразить свои предпочтения. Now, dear student, let's do the next task. Are you ready?
Listen and watch.
Слушай и смотри.
Do you like swimming?
No, I don't. Do you like swimming?
Yes, I do. I love swimming and I love jumping. Look.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I do.
So do I.
Alex, what do you like doing?
Me? I like drawing.
Draw the pool.
Okay.
Now draw Sam and me and you in the pool. Do you like swimming, Alex?
Yes, I love swimming.
Dear students, let's do the next task.
Complete.
Дополни. Do you understand the video? In this task, you should use grammar structure ing. Listen and complete. Write your answers.
I like reading.
I N G. Good job. I like reading. The next one.
I like drawing.
Write your answer. I N G. Good job. I like drawing. The next one.
I love jumping.
Write your answer. I N G. I love jumping. The last one.
I love swimming.
Write your answer. I N G. Well done. Let's check your answer. Well done. Listen and repeat. I like reading. I like drawing. I love jumping. I love swimming. Now, dear students, let's do the next activity.
Match.
Listen and match. Look at the picture and match. Let's do it together.
I like reading.
So do I.
I like reading. Good job. The next one.
I love swimming.
So do I.
I love swimming. Well done. The next one.
I love jumping.
So do I.
I love jumping. Well done. The next one.
I like drawing.
So do I.
I like drawing. Good job. Let's check your answer. How is your result? Well done. Please repeat after me. I love jumping. I love swimming. I like drawing. I like reading. Well done. Now, dear students, in this task we should check our knowledge.
Choose.
Listen and choose. Do together. Let's start. Write your answer.
I love jumping.
Where is the jumping? Well done. I love jumping. The next one.
I love swimming.
Where is the swimming? Well done. I love swimming. The next word.
Do you like drawing?
Drawing. Well done. Do you like drawing? The last one.
We like reading.
Reading. Good job. We like reading. Let's check your answer. How is your result? Well done. Repeat after me. I love jumping. I love swimming. Do you like drawing? We like reading. Well done. Now, dear students, let's do the next task.
Choose.
Look at the picture and put the word in the correct order. Listen and repeat. Is, isn't, it's, snow, rainy. Okay, let's do it together. Look at the first picture. What the weather like? Yes, it's a windy day today. Look at the second picture. What's the weather like? Yes, there is snow in the north. Okay, the next one. What's the weather like? Is it rainy today? Good job. The next one. What the weather like today? Is it sunny today? No, it isn't. The next one. Look at the picture. What's the weather like today? Good job. Is it rainy in the south? Yes, it is. Now, listen and repeat. It is a windy day today. There is snow in the north. Is it rainy today? Is it sunny today? No, it isn't. Is it rainy in the south? Yes, it is. Well done. Now, dear student, let's check our previous lesson and check yourself. Let's start.
Верно или неверно? Прослушай и выбери правильный ответ.
Now, let's start.
It is raining.
It is raining. True or false? Well done. The next one.
Ooh, the wind today is so cold. It's blowing from the north.
True or false? Well done. The next one.
The grass in our garden is very tall.
Now, dear students, are you ready to do the next task?
Соедини слова с картинкой.
Listen and match. Please listen and repeat.
Lightning. Forecast. Volcano. Cave.
Let's do together. Where is the
Lightning.
lightning? Good job. The next one.
Forecast.
Where is the forecast? Well done. The next one.
Volcano.
Where is the volcano? Well done. The last one.
cave.
Now, dear students, listen and choose.
Прослушай и выбери соответствующий рисунок.
Let's start. Let's do it together.
Hail. Exactly, this is hail.
The next one.
Jungle. Right, what a fantastic jungle.
Well done. Now, dear students, match the words with the correct pictures.
Соедини слова с картинкой.
Listen and repeat. Rainbow, sun, cloud, frost. Let's start. Rainbow. Good job. Sun, cloud, frost.
Прослушай и выбери соответствующий рисунок.
Listen and choose.
Snow. Yes, it is snowing.
Well done. The next one.
Fog.
Fog. What is the fog?
Right, what a thick fog.
Are you ready to do the next task?
Прослушай и выбери соответствующий рисунок.
Listen and choose.
Boat. Yes, it's a boat. Sing. Right, I want to sing for you.
Now, dear students, let's do the next activity.
Прослушай и расположи картинки и слова по порядку.
Listen and put the pictures and words in the order. Listen.
Forecast.
Where is the forecast? Where is the picture forecast? Good job. The next one.
Cold.
Cold. Where is the cold? Good job. Where is the picture cold? Well done. The next one.
Hot.
Hot. Dear students, do you understand the grammar structure ing? Let's read examples. Listen and repeat. I like swimming. I love doing aerobics. I don't like playing football. I hate skateboarding. Now, dear students, look at the examples and repeat.
I love jumping. I love swimming. Do you like drawing? We like reading.
Okay, well done. Dear students, our lesson is over. See you the next lesson. Goodbye.